Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to Predict the Unpredictable, where we discuss important current affairs question for the UPSC Prelims Examination 2025. Guys, we will try to integrate as many PYQs as possible on the topic so that you understand the trend of questions coming on the topic. Guys, today's topic is from the subject of geography. Guys, every year we are seeing UPSC is focusing on one important mineral and they are asking map based question on that mineral. So guys, this week there was a news item that there has been some protest in Andhra Pradesh over center's permission for a uranium mine in Andhra Pradesh. So let us see what was the news item and what kind of questions you can expect. We are going to brainstorm this topic from all dimensions. We are going to see some of the PYQs also. So stay till the end. So guys, you can see here there was a rally arranged in last Saturday to save Kapra Tarla. Okay, so this is a village, guys, in Kurnool district. This is a village in Kurnool district in the reserve forest, okay, of Devanakonda Mandal, okay, in Kurnool district. So farmers are basically concerned that if this uranium mine comes, then there can be, okay, impacting the fertility of the soil in that locality. So guys, India is not self-sufficient in uranium. India imports a lot of uranium from outside, but there are some mines in India where uranium is produced. So UPSC can ask you uranium mines in India, because in the previous year UPSC has been focusing on the atomic minerals. Guys, this year, in the budget, government has said that government is going to focus on nuclear energy. And guys, we all know for the first stage of nuclear energy in India, we will be depending on uranium. So uranium mining is also very important, although we import a lot of uranium, but mining is also very important. So let us see which are the states where uranium mining is carried out. So the most important state is Jharkhand. You can see, guys, Singhbhum belt of Jharkhand. The mines here are the Jadugura mines, Bhatin mines, Navra Pahar mines, Tumradi mines, Bagjata mines, Bandhuharang mines and Mahuldi mines. In Meghalaya, it is the Domiasiat mines, and in Andhra Pradesh, the most famous and the largest reserves of uranium in India is in Tumulapalle in Andhra Pradesh. Tumulapalle in Andhra Pradesh. This is very, very important. And guys, Lambapur in Telangana. Lambapur in Telangana. Okay, these are some important mines in India. Again, I repeat here: Jharkhand, Jadugura, Bhatin, Navrapahar, Tumradi, Bagjata and Bandhuhurang and Mahuldi. Then in Meghalaya we have the Domiasat, and then in Andhra Pradesh we have the Tumulapalle, and in Telangana we have the Lambapur. You can see, guys, how UPSC has been asking questions on this topic. You can see here the UPSC in 2006 has already asked question on Navra Pahar mine. Okay, so it is a uranium mine. Okay, guys, and you can see here Kerala monazite sand contains uranium. Okay, so Kerala's monazite sand contains what? Thorium reserves. Okay, so already you can see UPSC in 2022 has asked question on monazite. So this year UPSC may ask on uranium deposits. Further, guys, India imports a lot of uranium from outside. India has had a uranium purchasing agreement with Canada, Kazakhstan, Russia and Uzbekistan. Guys, at the world level, 3 countries constitute 2/3 of the world uranium production. You can see Kazakhstan, Canada and Australia. Kazakhstan, Canada and Australia, and Kazakhstan is the highest producer of uranium in the world, followed by Canada and Namibia. So guys, UPSC has asked questions on world ranking also. Recently you must have seen in UPSC they asked a question on gold, and they said which country is the largest producer of gold. So uranium can also be asked, because uranium is a very important mineral for this year's prelims examination, as government is focusing on nuclear energy because of the net zero targets. So guys, like this I have been framing questions for my prelims test series, and here I am focusing on all expected questions. Guys, every year I am able to predict 20 to 30 questions in the prelims examination. This can be a game changer for your prelims selection next year. So guys, do practice questions. Guys, let me tell you one thing, that in UPSC what really works is practice. All the people who are preparing for UPSC will study, but very few people will only practice regularly, and once you practice regularly, definitely you will succeed. Guys, this number which is mentioned here, you can contact this number if you want my prelims guidance. Thank you guys. Do consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends. Bye bye.